Hello friends, my name is Amit Thakur. Today we will discuss about one of the important interview question which frequently asked in many interviews. Let's say there is a list of numbers and some numbers are getting repeated in that list. Then how to print the top three or most repeated numbers from the list. So I have the input like 10, 30, 20, 90, 40. So some numbers are getting repeated and some numbers are not getting repeated. 10 is repeated one time, 30 repeated two times, 20 repeated three times, so on. So I want to print the top three numbers, those are getting repeated mostly in this list. So 90 repeated four times, 40 repeated five times, and 20 repeated three times. So I will give the input like this list and this n equal to 3. So I will do this output. If I change the input as 1 and equal to 1, then I will have the top most repeated number, which is 40, repeated 5 times. So how can we implement this uh, requirement in our program? Okay. So how can we achieve it? So let's try to implement this problem in Java. So just open the Eclipse. I am using a Spin Tool Suite. You can also use, and I can create one class. First, I will create the package name. So like com.thakur dot java sorry dot interview dot demo one. Okay, find top and repeated numbers. I will select public static void main method and finish. Now I have the class where we have the public static void main method. So here I will maximize the code so you can see. So here we have the list integer arrays dot as list. Let me copy the same numbers so we can use the same example here. Semicolon. Okay, let's import the list. Okay, now I have the top equal to 3. One variable like top equal to 3. I want to print the top 3 numbers. So here with the help of Java 8 feature, we can implement the requirements. What will be the approach? So first approach to create what I will do. I want to understand like how many times 10 is getting repeated, how many times 30 is repeating. So we have the map. Okay, so map contain the key value pair. So 10 will be my key, and the count of this 10 will be value. Like so, 10 is the key, value is the 1 for the 10. 30 is key, and value is the 2 because 30 is repeated two times. Like this, I can achieve one map. So first, I will get that map. Okay, so with the help of Stream API, we can achieve uh, this this requirement. Okay, so in the Java 8 stream, so I will have the output like this: 10 equal to 1, 20 equal to 3, something like this, or 30 equal to 2 because 30 repeated two times, 30, 20 repeated, so on. So I will have the map like this. Okay, so first I will try to create such map. Then I will perform some operation on this map. Okay, so I have the list. Okay, so first I will get the map. Okay, so I have integer. Okay, so this is the key and value is the long. Okay, and I will give name as counted map equal to. Now I have the list. I will try to get the stream first. There's one function. Okay, so I can get this stream. So I have the stream of stream where I have the list of objects in a stream. Now I can perform the operation on this stream. So now what I want to do, I want to collect. Okay, so collect is a terminal operation. You can see here. See, let me hover on it. See, this is a terminal operation. So we have one class, final class collectors. It has all the static methods like grouping by because I need to group these element, like see 10. So I want to group 10, how many times 10 is repeated, how many times 30 is repeated. Okay, so I will use the grouping by function. So characters dot grouping y. Okay, so here I can use this function. Now there's one class function. Okay, and under function there is one method identity which will return the input. Okay, so 10 is the input, so it will return the inputs, it will work as a key, and I want to know the count of this key. Okay, so again there's one method inside collectors dot counting. Okay, so this is my value. So function dot identity will return the 10 and it will return the value like 1, again 30. So then it will return the value as 2. So likewise it will work. Okay, and I will use the semicolon. So let me import this map interface also. Quick fix, import map. Okay, so I have the counted map. Let me print this map. Okay, so counted map. Okay, so let's run the program. Control F11, select Java application. See the response here. Okay, so here you can see counted map 20 repeated 3 times, 40 repeated 5 times, and 90 repeated 4 times. So we have achieved the map here. Now I want to print only top 3. So top 3 are like 40 repeated 5 times, 1, 90 repeated 4 times, and 20 repeated 3 times. These are the top 3 elements which I want to print. This is my requirement. So I can, now I have the map. So let me separate it. Mhm. Something like this. Okay, so what I will do, I will perform some more operation on this map. So see, if I want to get the top 3 objects, so what I need to do, first I need to sort this object. Okay, so for this object, why the value? Because I want to print top values, top repeated objects. Okay, so I need to perform operation on the value. So I will I will use sort function, or which will implement on the value, not on the key. So again I will create the new map. So here also I will have the similar type of map. Integer is the key and long is my value. Okay, and I will name it as repeat. Okay, or top repeated. Okay, top count map. Okay, is simple actually. Now I use this counted map. Okay, okay, so now I want to get the stream object. So you cannot directly get the stream from the map. First you, okay, so first in the from the list you can get it, but from the map first you have to get the entry set, because there is one set inside the map. So entry set. Okay, so I have the entry set. Now I have the set of object. Now I can get the stream. So inside the set there is a stream. Okay, now I have the stream. Now I will what I will try to sort this map, correct? So I will use the sorted function. Now I will perform the sorting function on each entry, correct? So what I will do, I will use I will take out this entry object. So okay, so here map has one entry. Okay, interface, and entry, see entry is the one of the object. Okay, one pair basically. This map contain the many pair, right? So we have the one pair. So this is the one pair, and I will perform some operation. Okay, so I will use the comparing by value. Okay, because I want to perform operation on value. Okay, like on this value 1, 3, 2. Okay, so comparing by value. I perform the operation on comparing by value, not on key. That is very important thing. Okay, which we have to understand. Now what I will do, okay, so whenever we get the sorted order, it will be in the natural order, means ascending order. And I want to first this will be print like 1, then 2, then 3. So what I will do, I will reverse it. Okay, so because I want to get the top most repeated numbers, so I will use the reverse function. So here we have the reverse function also. Okay, now, okay, now I have the sorted map here. Now I will try to collect it, right? In similar way, here we did it, right? In similar way, we can collect it. I will use a collect. Okay, so what is the error here in sorted? Let me check. The method sorted. Okay, okay, understand. So, okay, so we this comparing value, we have to tell the type of the object. So integer, okay, comma long. Okay, now I can use the collect function. Okay, so here, as you know, we have to return the map. So we have the collector class. Okay, there's one map, two map. Okay, and two map take the key and value. So as I mentioned, like we have to use the entry. Okay, map dot entry. Okay, there's a one double colon, and here we can get the key. Okay, this is the function inside the entry class. Okay, entry interface basically. This is the interface. Map is also interface, entry is also interface. There's one, so it will return the key. And similar way, map has the entry. See, always remember, whenever you want to perform any operation, first try to get the entry object. Okay, if you want to get the stream, then use the entry set like this. If you want to perform some operation on the particular object, then take that object. So map.entry is a particular object, like one pair. It has one uh, method, like get key, which will return that key value, key, which will return the key actually for that object. So map.entry, okay, okay, double colon, get value. This is the function. Okay, so see, in Java 8, basically, uh, there's a double colon. Okay, you can use this double colon. Okay, and whatever methods are inside this interface, you can type that method here. So it will return the value. So if you will see here in this entry interface, there is a one method get key and get value, and we can use this get key and get value. Okay, so and this collectors return with the map, something like this. Now, and always remember, map does not maintain the order. Okay, so let me print the this top count map. Okay, one moment. Hmm. Okay, so we will have the top three numbers. Control F11. Yes, see, you can see here. Okay, so okay, yes, one mistake. So here, what we want to print? We want to print top three number. Okay, so here in after reversing, we can put one limit function also here, limit. Okay, and I want to print only three numbers, so I will give the top value here, which will take the value. Now dot, then I will collect the object. Now let me run it again. See, so I have the top three repeated number, top most repeated number. So top three most repeated number, like 40 repeated 5 times, 90 repeated 4 times, and 20 repeated 3 times. Okay, if I change the value here, like I want to get only two top most repeated number. Let me see. Yes, so 40 repeated 5 times, 90 repeated 4 times. So this is the output. Now I change it to 1. I want to get top most repeated number only. So here you can see only 40 is there. Okay, so I hope you guys understood. Thank you so much. If you have any comments or if you have any question, please write down in the comments box. I will try to answer you. Thank you. Bye bye.